we've done it. We've hit the extreme greed in the crypto markets yet again. Back in bullish territory. Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe right down below so we can see at the moment Bitcoin traversing at $43.8 thousand. It did momentarily just about hit $44,000 on some exchanges, which is absolutely crazy. Just 25k away from the previous all-time high. Now, altcoin sentiment is looking pretty strong at the moment. We can see many cryptocurrencies are very, very green. Aave up, Bonk is up, BTT is up. So in this video, we can look at some coins that could potentially do a 50x by 2030. Yes, it's in for the long haul, the long run, but 7 years isn't that long to make potentially a 50x. Little hint as well. Remember, Ethereum usually does very well in January and February, so if you are looking at ETH, now could potentially be a good time as well. Now, I'm very surprised to see the crypto markets up to extreme greed yet again. This is crazy. The overall valuation is 1.63 trillion, and in the last month we've had a perfect looking trajectory. The last year has clearly been a very, very positive year for cryptocurrency in general. So let's move into coin number one. It's going to be starting with one of my favorite Ethereum scalers, Optimism, OP. So, you know, Ethereum and Optimism, just like kind of Polygon back in the day, a very Batman and Robin Hood like relationship. You know, they're very synergetic, they kind of correlate together. Market cap of this one is $1.9 billion. Do I think Optimism can get to $100 billion in 7 years? I think it is absolutely possible. Optimism has only thrived since its inception in 2022, and you can see it's not even yet had a chance to exist in a bull run. I know I say this a lot. The fully diluted market cap over here is $9 billion at the moment. So of course we've still only got 21% of the supply in circulation, but I am overall bullish on this. Ethereum scaled. The OP mainnet is a low cost and lightning fast Ethereum L2 blockchain powered by Optimism. So effectively, if you are bullish on Ethereum, you could also be a little bit bullish on OP, Optimism, because it's going super chain. It's one of the first super chains out here with the OP stack and the super chain on the same side. So looks pretty bullish. So that is coin number one that I am looking at, that, you know, I've already bought into from the low down. So for me, you know, I already got in quite low, and it's important to try and time the bottoms, although you never will. But we can see that the market cap is just constantly going up for this one. So it's looking very bullish. $2 billion. Not bad, not bad. Coin number two will be Aave or Aave. I have no idea how you say this. I know it triggers some people, and even triggers me sometimes because I don't even know how to say it. So please correct me down in the comments. Is it Aave or is it Aave? Because I still don't know. Anyhow, look at this, guys. Aave is sitting at $97. 98 right now. Hey, you're playing games with me. $1.4 billion overall. It's ranked 46. And you can see over here, the fully diluted market cap is 1.5 billion and 91.66% of tokens are in supply. If we go back in time, this coin was actually thriving once upon a time, well over $500. Now the market cap at the time was actually 8 billion. So we're still hugely down. Mark Cuban is bullish on this coin as well. I've seen him quote many, many times. But Aave is effectively your liquidity protocol, earn interest, borrow assets and build applications. 9.4. That's crazy. You can see right here, $9.4 billion worth of liquidity is locked in Aave across 8 networks over 15 different markets. So this is where you can stake, you can borrow, and it is a pretty cool protocol overall. I do think there's not really much competition, so it's kind of got its own niche and full control of the market for what it is. And, you know, looking at the markets already, it's available on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, many of the big tier 1 exchanges. And overall, I think this coin is still quite undervalued. By 2030, we could see this one grow once we see more adoption, more Bitcoin ETFs, more enterprise money and institutional money flow in. Aave could have a good chance at doing something great. Now, this next one is for the play to earners, the gamification crypto lovers. We're looking at Mana, Decentraland. Decentraland is a 957 million ranked crypto cryptocurrency with a fully diluted of 1.1 billion. We can see this total supply here is 1.8 billion Mana tokens. When we look back in time, we can see Mana actually had a massive market cap of 9.42 billion, and it's still in a lull. It's down by 90%. So this could be one that might be worth accumulating for also the long run. The year we've seen highs of 78 cents and lows of 29 cents. 51 is where we currently are. So I still think Mana has a good shot at doing something good in the next bull run. And if it did a 50x, you'd be looking at a $50 billion market capitalization by 2030, if it could possibly do so. So this is, of course, the gaming ecosystem. If you do like play to earn or doing this kind of DeFi Web3 stuff, you know, lots of Web2 gamer users are moving into the crypto world where they can actually earn rewards and put their time into also making some money on the side. That's what's so precious about, you know, the play to earn sort of model. Now, before we check out coin number 4, I just want to say shout out to the Patreon. Thanks for the new people that subscribed. If you want to become a patron, the link is down below. You will unlock over 500 trading signals, which will help you traverse the crypto space. Signals like the ones you can see on screen right here. If you wish to unlock over 500 a month, Patreon link is down below. But do please remember, you have to connect your Patreon and Discord together in order to find those signals within the Discord. So first things first, you become a patron, then you connect Discord, and then you enter the Discord and you can see all the VIP areas. Moving into coin number 4 anyway, we've got Sue, and I'm bullish on this one. You know, only a $700 million market capitalization. Going back in time, we've had lows of $376 million for this token. So it's already done a 2x since the bottom, but it's not yet had a chance to thrive again in a bull run. It's on Binance, it's on Coinbase. No one really talks about it. And I think, you know, a lot of exchanges are slowly scooping up the supply of this token. Only 10% of the overall total supply is also circulating. So it's got an FD market cap, fully diluted, of 6.8 billion over here. But I do think this could be one that potentially does well in the future. A 10x would take it to 7 billion. Now, why Sue? Well, build beyond. It's a layer 1 blockchain that redefines asset ownership and effectively custodianship. So this is pretty cool. Infinite possibilities, infinite scalability as well. And yeah, I think this looks like a good one here. So potentially check out the Sue token if you have not already. Now, coin number 5 will be one that a lot of people are talking about very frequently, and it's not Bitcoin, by the way. So it's Hedera HBAR, $2.3 billion. Am I shooting for a $100 billion market capitalization? I think it's possible. Maybe not this decade, maybe in the next decade. We could see HBAR, Hedera do some crazy things. So the price over here is currently, you know, the high we're targeting is 47 cents. We're trading at 0.071. So we are hugely down from the previous all-time high over here, guys. And that is what makes me kind of keen to keep dollar cost averaging into this token right here. In terms of markets, it's on Binance, it's on Coinbase. So of course they wouldn't put like any old shit coin on their exchanges. But you can see Hedera stablecoin studio. For institutional issuers, and open source all-in-one SDK that makes it easy to build stablecoin applications using the Hedera network services. So this is pretty cool as well. A massive one that many people do talk about. So there's 5 coins that could be worth dollar cost averaging into if you're looking to hold until the next bull run. Ones that maybe don't have so much volatility or as much high risk, but I do think they could potentially do 2 to 10x's in the long run. And we were talking about it, you know, just holding a good basket of cryptocurrencies, 10 to 20 decent projects that could do well. If 2 of them don't do very well, then at least the other 17 or 18 are offsetting against those losses. If you're a trader in the markets and you want to trade the upcoming volatility in crypto markets, do also join the MEXC exchange. The link is down below to sign up. No KYC, incredibly small fees, as you can see right here, and you might also get some awesome benefits and bonuses by using my link down below. So that really helps. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe if you're new here. 97% of people do not subscribe, but they watch the video. It doesn't make sense. Click the subscribe link button down below, like and comment. See you very soon, and have a blessed day. Bye for now. Peace.